Alright, what is up guys, welcome back to another video, taking a quick look at XRP here. As always, thank you very much for watching. Please do like and subscribe, it really does help out the channel. And with that being said, let's take a look at the chart. We can see here on our daily time frame here that we are currently chopping around in this kind of bear market resistance. Obviously, I've got this previous bear market resistance like this. Obviously, you can see the last three times here at around $2. What is this, 135, and here at around 55 cents. We've had rejections of this trend line. You can see making our way downtown all the way down here. I should probably pull this out, shouldn't I, so that you can actually... Is this even the correct... I'm not on the correct chart here. There we go. So as you can see, let me just pull this across as well. As you can see here, currently, you know, obviously with that SEC Hinman, by the hype about the Hinman documents being released in the Ripple SEC case, you can see XRP here essentially came up, looked as though it was going to start moving to the upside, but a big rejection here, basically coming back down inside the range yet again. Pretty obvious here that this resistance at around 55 cents is a big deal. You can see here every single time that we have got up to this level, we have been rejected, and we've been rejected again here. A quick look at the hourly time frame will show you that. We tried to make our way up inside, up above this level of resistance here at around, was it 54.3 cents? We got all the way up to around 56 cents here, but then got a massive rejection, came back down inside the range, and now we've come back into this area of structure that we've been grinding around in for basically the past week or so for XRP. Excuse me. And it seems as though, judging by this big wick rejection of this level, we could well be coming back inside the range yet again for a little retest. I did say in a previous video that I did have a short position open that I closed at around this level here. So I'll just save that so that it basically saves for further notice in the future. But right now, looking like we really are, you know, trying to figure out whether or not we're going to bounce here and hold this area as support for maybe a push finally above the range, or whether or not we'll just reject again and come back down inside the range. It remains to be seen. But right now for XRP, really looking like we are essentially just grinding around at this resistance and trying to figure out if we're going to go up or down. Basically, a rejection here would probably see ourselves coming back down to the 0.23 Fibonacci, down here around 45 cents yet again at the bottom of this higher range. Or if we do break out here, we've obviously got another Fibonacci level as a good target. The 0.38 at around 60 cents. So make or break right now really for XRP, waiting to see whether or not it can finally break this resistance. So for me personally, I am just waiting for either of these levels to take positions. I'd love to take a long position down at that 0.23 Fibonacci. I think that would be absolutely ideal, but we'll wait and see what happens, because obviously we are waiting on Bitcoin to make a move in either direction really. So that is it for today guys. As always, thank you very much for watching indeed. Please do like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.